Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. Welcome to Workshop Wednesday, December 20th, 2023. It seems like we just started December and here we are 5 days away from Christmas. I'm still getting some shopping done. I am gonna leave today to come back to New Mexico. This is a pre-recorded video. I'm leaving Washington, D.C., and I hope to be home by Christmas Eve. We're driving back. So, just a couple of reminders, just a few more days then, well, till the 31st, that you can get the December Sweet Stampin' Friends tutorial with the minimum $35 purchase in my online store. And all of our projects this month are with the online exclusives. And here's a sneak peek of mine. I use the Simply Sparkling bundle. And January's already almost here, so I have the new catalogs. And if you would like one, I'm going to post the link and just click on the link, fill out the information, and then I know to send them to you. As you can see, look at all the tabs. These are all the bundles that I have. So a lot of exciting things, and plus it's going to be celebration. So for every $50 to $100 you order, you can get a free celebration item. And there's some really nice things in there. I'm going to be working on some projects with some of the celebration things. I can't open the catalogs and show you until January. So just keep an eye here on my Facebook page or YouTube channel to see some of the projects I'm going to be creating. I already have my first class for January done, so I'll be posting those details in a few days. And my card classes are all going to resume in January. Okay, so I think that's it. Okay, so here's our project. So, I am using a very new bundle that's coming out in January in the mini catalog. And it's called Be My Valentine. So adorable. I love it. I love bees. I actually have a little bee tattoo. This is the Bee Builder Punch. I believe that's what it's called. I'm trying to remember these names. But he creates this little bee here. So we're going to be using this bundle. Again, it doesn't come out till January, but I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek. I have been playing with this. I have created so many projects that my very first class for January is going to be a retreat in a box to go using this bundle. So adorable. And so let me show you the designer series paper that comes with it. It's called Be Mine. As you can tell, look, I stocked up because I love, love, love this bundle. But look, it's got the flowers, it's got bees, it's got more flowers, a honeycomb, hearts, more bees, all these different kind of bees on them. Look, the little like buzz. Look at that. Like I said, this one's sweetest. Well, it's got honey on it. That's the one that we're going to use today. But so cute. Love, 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 love this bundle. So, like I said, I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek. So, this is what we're going to use. And our project is a little tea and honey stick holder. Actually, we're going to put a piece of basic white in here so you can write a little note or something. I didn't put mine in. I forgot. I do have the dimensions for it because I have the tutorial that'll go out on Sunday if you're on my email list. So let's get started. We are going to use Sweet Sorbet. And again, this bundle doesn't have a die to go with it because it has the punch. So it doesn't have dies. So we need 3.5 by 11. This is already 11-inch piece of cardstock. So we just need 3.5 by 11. So we're gonna score this at, I have to pull my arm out. I'm not sure, I do need it. Okay, so we're gonna score this long side at 3.5. Make sure we have our scoring blades. So 3.5, 3 3/4, and 4. That's just our little bit to hold our, oh, I'm not done. And then 7.5, because we are going to put our little honey stick there. Okay, so let me figure. So this is our last square. See this last square? We're gonna cut this diagonally. So we're gonna go from this corner to this corner. So you line your top one up here and then this bottom one down here. So see this, we need to move this a little, and then now we are lined up. So from here to here. And this will make sense after I cut it. So we're gonna cut it. And this is gonna fold over like this. It's gonna make our little tea pouch. This one we're gonna fold over. This we're gonna fold over. And these ones we're gonna fold them out like that for now. So let me get this out of the way. Or should we cut, let's cut our DSP. We're gonna use, like I said, the one with the honey on it. And this is gonna be 3 3/8 by 3 3/8 by 3 3/8. And we're gonna cut 2 of these because we're gonna put one on our little diagonal flap. Did I cut that right? I don't think I did. 3, I didn't, I went to the quarter. Okay, 3 3/8 right there to the half, not the quarter. Okay, so we can move those out of the way. So this one, we're gonna go ahead and do the same like we did before. So we're gonna use this side. So make sure your pattern is gonna match. So again, we're gonna line our corner up here and our bottom corner down here. Just like so. Okay, I got them. And so, oops, did that move? It moved a tiny bit when I closed my trimmer. All right, so now this piece will go here. So you can use this on another one. You could use either side. There's that piece we cut off. You could add that to a card or something. Who knows? I know you'll find something to do with it. And then we need, I think that's it. The other ones I have cut. So before we adhere this, these two that I told you to like fold out. So you're going to see a score line here and you're going to see a score line here. We're just going to snip to the score line like so. And then just another one. And it doesn't matter where you put it. That's just going to hold the stick because this is actually going to pop in to hold the stick. So let's go ahead and glue our designer series paper. That might make things a little easier. So we're going to add this one to that section that we cut, our little pocket. I need to move it a little. Okay, there we go. Now this is going to be our front, so you want to make sure that you know it's your front. And we're going to add this piece. This is our 3 3/8 piece. Starting to drop it. And we'll just adhere that right to the front. And so this is our inside cover, and I have a piece of 3 3/8 by 3 1/8. And the reason I didn't do 3 3/8 by 3 3/8 is because that stick, our honey stick, is gonna be in there. And this is just a little section for you to write a little note or whatever. So see, I didn't put the DSP because this is going to be, when it folds, it's going to be hitting it. So this again is 3 3/8 by 3 1/8. And that's the only reason I made it shorter instead of doing the whole 3 3/8. Oh, me and my gluing skills. Okay, so now we pretty much have our little pouch, card pouch made. I'm just going to add a strip of glue there to hold that in place. So that'll make our little pocket. And I will put this in a bit because we're going to decorate our front. So let's decorate. So let's use that new bee punch. So it all depends how you do it. You could either punch everything at once or you can stamp. So what I'm going to do, just to show you, is I'm going to, what the heck? It doesn't, it's sticking. Only in live videos do you get such wonderful things happening. Look at me. Okay, let's try this again. Maybe, you know what? I don't know why that's doing that, but I think, do we have enough ink? Why am I torturing myself? So anyway, I'm going to stamp. This is the bee's body. And that's probably where my nail was. And then the rest we will stamp after. So this just kind of gives you an idea where to line up your punch, how big of a border around you want. This is so clever because see these hearts? You can use them as hearts, but they're also part of the antennas and wings, and so we're gonna get those. Well, let's do our stripes on our body. And you know what? I'm gonna grab my foam pad just to make sure that I stamp these nice and crisp. My poor little I'm trying not to stick my head in there, so hopefully I'm lined up good. There's that. Let's add the little face. So there's a bunch of different faces you can add. This is the one that I chose for this one. So now look how clever. This little heart is for the antennas. And then, oops, it flipped over. This little heart is for the wings. So cute. Okay. So you guys need to tell me if I'm good. See, I got the little off. My camera's like right here. And if I stick my head, I am going to bump it. Okay, we'll get this out of the way. Now I'll bring my silicone mat in because now we are going to just add a little bit of glue here. I said a little, and I think I added a lot. So his little wings, and then we're going to add his little antenna. So there, I got a drop on that one. And we'll put his little antenna right there. And we'll let him dry for a minute. So now this is a piece of a 1 inch by 3 3/8, and we are going to use the Sweet Sorbet, and we are going to stamp you're as sweet as honey. All my blocks look horrible. I need to clean them. Look at me, I just got ink all over. So you're as sweet as honey. I need to do a thorough cleaning on my blocks. I've been stamping a lot. So let's hope I didn't get any ink on there. And this is going to go glued to the front. Just like so. Are you guys excited for the new catalog? I'll be sending them out soon. I'm trying, they haven't come yet, so I can't send them until I get them. Okay, we're gonna glue that one there. We are gonna add our little busy bee. Bzz. And you know what? Let's curl up his wings. So maybe he looks like he's flying around. And then we will add a couple of dimensionals behind him and put him right on our card front. He's just buzzing around. Just like that. How cute. Okay, so now we can put our honey stick in. And you know, I just got these from our local store. Depending where you live, you might have to find a specialty store, or I'm sure Amazon has them. And I'm putting lemon ginger tea. I love lemon ginger. And that'll go, oops, why is this sliding? I had no problem on my other one. Is it because these are, can't be too big. Well, if you have an issue like that, I don't know why. Where is my little pokey? We can put a glue dot so that it doesn't roll around. And just put a little glue dot. And then there, it's not gonna move. And now we need to add some of this wonderful ribbon. It's a new ribbon as well. This is all in the suite. And this is Sweet Sorbet, so all I did was tied a bow and then added it to the honey stick. So we used to have one like this that was thicker, and it was, you know, it was wider, and it was Poppy Parade. I think I like this thin one. And let's just snip a little, and I kind of undid my bow when I did that. All right, so then we'll add some glue dots. I like to add at least 2 for it to really stay good. See, it even sticks to the paper. We're just gonna add a glue dot like so. There is our project, I think. I'm like, wow, that was quick. Lemon ginger, the tea, our honey stick. I added the piece where you can add the sentiment. So there is our project. That is so cute, isn't it? I love that. See how easy that bee came together, other than my thing not sticking, but I need to clean my blocks. I know that. But there's our project. I hope you guys like it. You need to kind of look at how with his wings up instead of them being flat. I didn't do these ones up. But so cute. Let me know what you think about this bundle. And if you need a catalog, let me know so that as soon as I get them, I can ship one out to you. And you know, Christmas is almost here. I'm thinking just a few more days, since this is a pre-recorded video, but I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas and enjoy your time with your family, friends, whatever you're gonna do. Stay safe, and I will see you back next week, and I should be live. All right, you guys, you take care. Bye-bye.